Hi, excuse me. Yeah, hi. My name's Isaac Simba. How are you ladies today?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I just wanted to ask how much time you ladies have.
I got quite a bit.
Quite a bit of time. I just record people with like VHS and like the really old type of cameras. You know what I mean? Like there's like old vibes that you'd be seeing. Like you guys be down for a video? Alright, so yeah. It's not single life. Oh my This one has a really cool night mode that I think like really suits both of you because you guys face cards. Come on, I'm being so cute. I'm being so. Think about that. Yes. Yes.